Okay, here's an update on my headlights. These were smashed anyway, so I heated them up. Alright, so everything on the headlight is apart. The reflector has been tinted. Everything else is painted black. And I did some logo by hand. And I'm tolerably happy with the headlight. It's been taken apart. The housing has been painted black. So you can see some logos in. I may address this later. I've also repaired the cap, which was completely broken. Makes me happy. So this will be actually the second time I've repaired this cap. Okay, here's a quick first look at those refurbished headlights on the car with the black housing. Suzuki SX4 here. I've fabricated a good plate out of over here. Nipple pull out to vacuum out some fluid. You're always going to start that with a 6-point. We got the horn installed, we got the headlights back on. Alright, check this out. Got hoses. Got hardware. And we got some UC moto transmission cooler. Get that.
So tired, so lost, so tired, so lost, so tired, so lost, so tired, lost.
The SX4 is back together. Still having issues with the hood. Still haven't got a grill. But at least the front bumper's on it and everything's back together.
People keep asking me about this motor.
Just pull straight out. Clean. So we're gonna put that back in. Good to go. Finally. And I'm gonna grab this dipstick here. It's got 2 letters on here. It says hot and cold. You can see the fluid level. This is a little bit over full, which I was expecting because I had to fill an aftermarket transmission cooler. Hey everyone, got a couple things for you today. First off, I got a new grill on the car, replica, but that's going to be $2,000 shipping from Japan. I went with the Jeep Grand Cherokee spoiler. The fake WRC wing is also complete. I've got the dented. Okay, I was surprisingly ambitious this evening. It's fine, because we're gonna cut these pieces. Alright, the camera slows me down.